Hey y'all, welcome to Beginner Dance Tutorials. I'm Carrie Mitchell, and today we're going to learn a beginner line dance to Giddy Up by Shania Twain. The name of this line dance is actually Up in Your Giddy, and it was choreographed by Dan Moon, and I will tag him down below. But I'm going to break down the steps for you nice and slow. We're going to go step by step. I'm going to show it to you from behind. We're going to use a lot of repetition, and I think we're going to have a lot of fun. As always, this video is the tutorial only, so there's going to be no music in this video. We're just going to break down the steps. When you're ready to practice with music, or if you want to see what the dance looks like with music, you can check it out in a separate video. And I've linked it down in the description below, or you can check it out up here in this card. All right, let's stand up and dance, y'all. Here we go. All right, you ready to get your line dance on? I know you are. I got one more thing to tell you though. This one has a lot of turning in it, but I'm actually going to teach you all the steps facing this direction. This is a little different, but hey, stick with me. You'll see it's helpful to know where your footwork goes before I start turning around and moving around my room. So I'm going to teach it to you this way, and then I'll show you how to move it around. Yeah? Here we go. Our first 8 count, you're going to step on your right foot, and then you're going to step left, right, a little ball change. Yeah? That's a tap dance term. Step, step, step. Right, left, right. 1, 2, and you're going to step on your left. 3, and then your right foot's just going to touch to your left foot. So just your footwork. You're going right, left, touch. Again, step, back, side, step, touch. And as you do that touch, we're going to go clap, clap. 2 claps, yeah? And 4. Is that the counts? 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Yeah. So we're stepping right, left, right, step, clap, clap. Ready? 5, 6, step on your right. We go 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Do it again. 6, step on your right foot. Right, left, right, step, clap, clap. From here, you're going to move it on back. We're going to do step touches. Right touch left, left touch right. Then you're going to step back on your right. Left heel is going to hit the ground. And then you're going to go stomp left, stomp right together. So again, you're going to go right, left, left, right. Right, left, left, right. Right heel, left, right. Stomp, stomp. The first 2 steps though. Step, touch back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But those aren't the counts. The counts are really and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Because it's the second half of that first 8 count. So you're going step, step, heel, stomp, stomp. Yeah, just try that. Step, touch. 5, 6, step, touch, step, touch, step, touch, step, touch, step, heel, stomp, stomp. Very nice. So putting it back. With the first part of the first 8 count, you're stepping out to your right really slow. We're going to go like this. Right, left, right, step, clap, clap, step, touch, step, heel, stomp, stomp. We're going to do it again. Don't worry. You have to go right into the second half of the 8 count right away. So if you're counting, it's going to go like this. 5, 6, step on your right. We go 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 5, 6, step to your left. This is 1, 2, and 3, and move it back. 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Again. 5, 6, step on your right. We go step, left, right, step, move it back. Right touch, left touch, step, heel, stomp, stomp. Very, very nice. And that was our first 8 count. There's only 3, y'all, so you're a third of the way there. The second 8 count turns, but I'm just going to show you the footwork facing this way first. Yeah. Okay, so you just did stomp, stomp. Your right foot, you're going to pick your right foot up again. We're going to take 2 steps forward, right, left, and then you're going to do a little push, push. And that's going to turn you. But for now, I'm just showing you you're just touching that right foot 2 times into the ground. So you're going step, step, touch, touch. 5, 6, step, right step, left, touch, touch. Then you're going to do 3 steps, right, left, right, and now we're going to back it up, left, right. So we go forward for 3 again. 1, 2, 3, and then you're like, just kidding, now I'm going to go back, left, right, out, out. Yeah? 5, 6, 7, and 8. So this whole 8 count, we take 2 steps forward, 1, 2, touch your right, then 3 steps, 1, 2, 3, back it up. Try all that. 5, 6, 2 steps on your right. It's right, left, touch, touch, right, left, right, left, right. With counts, it's 5, 6, step on your right. This is 1, 2, touch, 3, 4, step, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Yeah. Oh, adding it to the first. Oh, I'm very excited. Adding it to the first 8 count, you're going to start with step, ball, change, step, clap, clap. Ready? 5, 6, step on your right. We go 1, 2, and 3, back it up. And 5, and 6, and 7, stomp, stomp. We walk right, left, touch, right, right, walk, right, left, right, back it up. Yeah, let's do all that one more time. Here we go. 5, 6, step out on your right. This is 1, 2, and 3, back it up. And 5, and 6, and 7, stomp, stomp, forward. 1, 2, touch, 3, 4, 3 steps, 6, 7, and 8. Very nice. So here's how you're going to turn it. We go forward, 1, 2. As you touch, you're pivoting. Your left heel is lifting up to pivot you to face the back. So you're doing a 180-degree turn, yeah? So you go right, left, touch, touch. Now you're going to be facing the back wall, and you're going to do 3 steps walking back, right, left, right, left, right. Yeah. So you turn 180 degrees. Yes. So it's going to look like this. 5, 6, step on your right. 4, 2, then you touch and turn. 3 steps, back it up, left, right. One more time. 5, 6, step on your right. 2 steps, 2 touches, 3 steps. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Very, very nice. Let's go back to the top one more time, adding that turn in so that we know which way we ended up. Yeah. So you're going to step out on 1. This is your right foot. Have I been saying right or left? I don't know. You start with your right foot. Here we go. 5, 6, step on your right. This is 1, 2, and 3, back it up. And 5, and 6, and 7, and forward. 2 steps, 2 touches, 3 steps, right, left, right, left, right. Yeah, very nice. All right, we've reached our third 8 count. We're facing the back, but surprise, I'm going to teach it to you this way so you can see what your feet should be doing. Don't let it confuse you. I promise when we put it together, it'll all make sense. So pretend like you just did back, back. You're going to step and slide nice and easy to your left on 1, 2. So step on your left, bring that right foot along for the ride. And then on 3, 4, you're going to do a little freestyle action. So you can circle your hips. You can lasso your arm. I've seen people do like little twists, twist, twist, twist. Shout out to Brooke. Seen her do that. Anything you want to do there. 2 counts. So it's 1, 2, then 3, 4. Then you're going to go back to the right. 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, that's actually going to turn you to your next wall, but give me a second. We'll go over that in a second. So you're going to step to your left. 2 counts for your freestyle right. 2 counts for your freestyle. 5, 6, step, slide left. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8. Choose your own adventure. Okay, but here's what it's really gonna look like. Pretend you're facing the back and you can still see me and everything makes sense in the world. You just did. And 8. You're gonna step and slide to your left. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then when you go back to your right, you're gonna turn back to the left wall. 5, 6, 7, 8. And by left wall, I mean, this was our first wall. This is our second wall, is our left wall, because it's actually to our left. even though we're turning to the right. What? Oh my gosh. So again, you're just sliding to your left, then freestyle to your right, and freestyle. And then our second wall is here and we start over. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Yeah, we'll get there though. So just remember, once you're facing the back, you have to slide left first. Left, then you turn to your right, and then we'll start it over. Yeah? Ooh, you're doing awesome. Let's go back to the top, nice and slow, so we can put it all together for your brain. You're gonna start on your right foot, that's your right. 5, 6, step on your right. We go 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Back it up. 5, 6, and 7. Stomp, stomp, 2 steps. Right, left, 2 touches, faces the back. 3 steps, then we back it up. Left, right. You're gonna slide left and freestyle. Turn to the right and freestyle. Then from here, you're ready to start it over. It's gonna look like this. Right, left, right, step, clap, clap, back it up, step, heel, stomp, stomp. We go right, left, 180 degrees, 3 steps, back it up, slide left, then you slide to your right, and now we're on our third wall, which is the back wall. And then you start it over. 1, 2, yeah, let's do it again. Very, very nice. So we're gonna go again from the top, nice and slow. Let's do 2 complete walls. So we'll start here, and then we turn around and confuse ourselves. And we do one here, and then we'll end up facing the back. Yes, I know you can do it. Nice and slow. Step out on your right. I believe in you. 5, 6, step on your right. This is 1, 2, and 3, back it up. And 5, and 6, and 7, and 2 steps. Right, left, 2 touches, 3 steps. Right, left, back it up. Slide it to your left. Hips, or whatever you want. Slide it right and turn. Now we start it over. Step right. Right, left, right, step, back it up. Right, left, right, step, heel, stomp, stomp. 2 steps, 2 touches, 3 steps, back it up. Slide to your left, slide to your right, turn it, then we'll start it over. Right, left, right, step. You did it, fantastic. You're doing an awesome job. Let's do it a couple more times, a little bit faster, but before we do, I wanna mention a few things. You don't have to turn. If you're at home dancing by yourself, if you go and do this like with other line dancers, they're gonna turn, right? But if you're just at home dancing by yourself, you never have to turn. You can just stay facing one wall. Don't let the turning get in your head or anything. Just face that one wall and have fun. The last thing I want to mention is there is one tag in the song. It's 4 counts. You're just gonna freestyle. I think it goes like ba 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 da 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 da. And I've seen stomping. You can da 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 da. Shake your hips. Just hold it, whatever, and then it's a restart. So you go back to the top. Yes? Okay. Breathe. Let's do it again. I'm gonna bump up the tempo just a little. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Ready? 5, 6, 5. 6, step out on your right. This is 1, 2, and 3. Back it up. And 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 2 steps. Turn it around. 3 steps. 5, 6, 7. Back it up. Slide left. Hips. Now slide to your right. Start it over. Step right. We go 1, 2, and 3. Back it up. And 5, and 6, and 7, and 2 steps. Turn it. 3 steps. 5, 6. Back it up. Slide it left. 1, 2, 3. Slide it right. Turn it. Let's start it over. 1, 2, and 3. Back it up. And 5, and 6, and 7. 2 steps. Turn it. 3 steps. Right, left. Back it up. Slide it to the left. And right. And then you start it over. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Fantastic. Woo! Excellent job today. Thank you so much for joining me for this Up in Your Giddy line dance tutorial. It might actually be a little bit faster with music, but guess what? This is a recorded tutorial. You can go at this tempo as many times as you need to with me. And then when you're ready to try it with music, remember there's a separate video. It's linked down in the description below. In that video, I'm gonna cue it with the music, and then I'm also gonna do it without cueing so that you don't have to listen to me. And you can test your memory to do the steps without me talking and cueing. That's it. I'm so proud of you for standing up and doing something good for yourself, moving your body. But more importantly, I hope you're proud of yourself. That's way more important. I appreciate you. Thank you so much for joining me. If you want to see more tutorials like this in the future, hit that subscribe button. You know what to do. Otherwise, I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day, and I look forward to seeing you in a future tutorial. Bye, y'all.